Hey guys, it's 2024, so Happy New Year. Guys, this year I'm excited to be the first one to tell you this is my first smile makeover for 2024. And this year I want to show you more. We're close to 100,000 subscribers, and we think the way we get there is to just earn it. We want to show you more about how smile design is actually done. And we want to show you results about what's possible and things that we think aren't possible. We want to give you more information this year. So if you like this kind of content and you're looking to improve your smile, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so that you get our next video and our next video and our next video. With that, I want to show you the first smile of this year. The first smile of this year is a lady named Kaylin, mom of two, a young professional. And when you look at her smile, you're gonna say it's probably not a smile that the average person would need to improve, but she wanted a perfect smile. And to her, a little bit was holding her back, and she wanted to see what it would look like. So we looked at what was holding her back, we looked at what we could do, we took her impressions, we scanned them into the computer, we did a design consult, and then once we got the design complete, we ran it to our CAD/CAM milling. Because we never melt plastic, and we never use 3D printing. Everything we do is designed to compete with cosmetic dentists. We are real big about making sure that we have incisal margins and we meet the gum line and that everything fits. So this is what I want to show you with this video. I want to show you her before, and I want to show you her after. And I want to show you her putting them in. And then I want to talk to you about, is this possible for you? I just hope we're able to show you more of the design process, what we do, how we're committed to it, and how other people just don't compete. There's a lot of what I call counterfeit veneers out there. But in 2024, it's about achieving the best smile of your life, one that you're going to use to take into your future. You're going to have some first-time events that are life-changing. Weddings, pictures, presentations, all these things that affect your confidence in who you are and who you want to be, and that starts with advantages. Guys, regardless of your age, regardless how good or how bad your smile is, if it's holding you back, it's not a luxury. And you very much deserve the right to know what your smile would look like if it's perfect, just like Kayla's. I was very fortunate that she trusted me with this smile. 2024 is about more and more people seeing if they can have perfectly bright, straight and white teeth. This one's all about whether or not you think we improved her smile. So comment below. Let me know what you actually think. Guys, I like the way this thing fit. I like the way it looks. And I'm very proud that our company was able to do this in such a short period of time. This is the kind of smile that more and more people would say yes to, that truly compete with cosmetic dentists that want to charge $10,000, $20,000, $30,000. I hope you like this video. I hope you want to see more of them. Thank you. Happy 2024. Happy New Year.